Welcome to day 3 of the FII conference here in Riyadh. I'm Kimberly Leonard from the PIF News Network, and today we're talking asset management. PIF's commitment to enhancing capital markets and promoting the best practices in the asset management industry were in the spotlight today, because PIF's second Asset Management Forum was held at FII. The annual meeting brings together key players in the global asset management industry to discuss critical issues and to support industry best practices. This year, it explored the future of Saudi capital markets, the role of AI and digital transformation in the asset management industry, as well as unlocking and navigating MENA private markets and developing strategies for emerging asset managers in those Saudi capital markets. PIF's Deputy Governor and head of its MENA Investments Division was discussing what's been achieved so far within the asset management industry in Saudi Arabia. Yazid Al Humaid was speaking with His Excellency Mohammed Al Guwais, the chairman of the Capital Market Authority. A lot of positive change and lots more still to come within the asset management sphere here in Saudi Arabia, and one man who's seen it firsthand is the head of PIF's Securities Investments Department. I spoke to Abdul Majid Al Hagbani about the importance of PIF's Asset Management Forum.
PIF is the biggest allocator in the region. PIF role in the Saudi capital market is essential, and it is tremendous. And how we can upscale the asset management industry and even participate on the improvement of the Saudi capital market by unlocking new products, having new asset classes, and creating new strategies that will help us to deliver the right risk and return formula and making these products available for all the investors in the market.
The Asset Management Forum works to emphasize the importance of partnerships and collaboration in the growing sector in Saudi Arabia, and a number of deals were signed at the event. PIF has signed MoUs with both State Street Saudi Arabia Financial Solutions and with the Mizuho Financial Group to collaborate in launching new investment products. The MoUs are non-binding, and entering into binding agreements will be subject to obtaining all necessary internal approvals as well as customary regulatory approvals.
At FII today, PIF announced a total of 5 MoUs worth up to $51 billion with leading Japanese financial institutions. They were signed with Mizuho Bank, Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group, MUFG Bank, Japan Bank for International Cooperation, and Nippon Export and Investment Insurance. The MoUs cover both PIF and portfolio companies, as well as Japanese companies and financial institutions. Rasis Al Saud, PIF's head of financial institutions and investor relations, said the MoUs demonstrate PIF's robust and ever-deepening relationships with leading international financial institutions.
PIF also signed an MoU with the Hong Kong Monetary Authority to work towards jointly anchoring a new investment fund with a target size of $1 billion. Under the deal, the fund would explore investment in manufacturing, renewables, fintech and healthcare, and support the localization in Saudi Arabia of companies connected to Hong Kong and the Greater Bay Area. And finally, a note on the Asset Management Forum itself. PIF and FII have signed a non-binding MoU for the forum to be introduced as one of the main pillars of the FII agenda locally and internationally. And that is it from the final day of FII Riyadh. It has been fantastic meeting you if you've been here with us in the Saudi capital. I'm Kimberly Leonard from the PIF News Network, and from me and the entire team, thank you so much for watching. We'll leave you with some of the closing ceremony for this, the 8th FII Riyadh. We look forward to seeing you next time.